Shangrong Shalo Bubak Record Agolini Progavono National Commission for Protection of Child Rights Day Directorate of Primary Education ni Shaktharmuk by Workshop Panda luajijakha o Shalo Chererokni Thinangnotei Kokjabjakha Chererokni Shakawo Shatok Pitok Umor Shoksuyashani Kai Bori Rijakma Umor Shoksuyashani Shamong Homungo Gudalma Aboroknotei Kutuk Koklam Unka.
It's an important event. We all know that children are our assets and they are crucial for developing the society, crucial for future and crucial for continuity of our culture, values and innovation. If the children are properly educated, properly skilled, they become the building blocks of future economic development for the countries and for the nations. We notice that most of the developed countries they invest heavily on children education or elementary education.